Action! Nom 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 nom. It's too hot. Yeah. Oh, lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Now you're on the walk, okay? The bears have gone for a walk. Oh, look at that lovely house. I'm frightened. She shouldn't go to the bear's house, should she? Porridge. Too hot, too salty. Just right. And Goldilocks ate it all up. I feel tired. Too big. Too medium sized. Just right. Ah! Oopsie, I broke it. But that doesn't matter. I'm sure they won't mind. I feel tired. I think I want to go to sleep. Yuck, this is too big. Yuck, medium. Oh, perfect. Nice and small. Who be sitting on my sofa? And I forget who's been sleeping in my bed. Who's been sleeping in my bed? Who's been sleeping? Who's been sleeping? They don't know what's cottage now. Car!
Is that the end?
Yes.
Someone say the end then.
The end! The end!
Thank you.